Welcome to the fascinating world of Oreo cookie manufacturing. Today, we're taking you deep inside a real Mondelez factory to see exactly how the world's most famous sandwich cookie is made. From the arrival of raw ingredients all the way to the final sealed pack, ready for stores around the globe. It all begins with massive bulk deliveries. Trucks and tankers arrive carrying refined wheat flour, intensely dark black cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and vegetable shortening. These essential ingredients are pneumatically transferred into towering storage silos, where they're held under controlled conditions until needed. In dedicated batching areas, cocoa powder and sugar are unloaded into large holding bins, equipped with vibration feeders to prevent any bridging or clumping. Giant ribbon blenders start the process by combining the flour, ultra-dark black cocoa powder, sugar, and leavening agents into a perfectly uniform, dark dry base. Powerful dust extraction systems pull away fine particles, keeping the air clean and safe, while the paddles ensure every gram is evenly distributed. Melted shortening is carefully pumped into the running mixer, followed by precisely metered water and pure vanilla flavoring. High shear paddles work relentlessly, transforming the crumbly dry mix into a thick, glossy, nearly black chocolate dough. The signature inky color coming from heavily alkalized black cocoa powder, unique to Oreo. The raw dough is discharged from the mixer base in heavy ropes and conveyed into large resting troughs. Here, under controlled humidity, the gluten relaxes for 30 to 60 minutes, making the dough easier to sheet without tearing. Rested dough feeds into the first set of massive sheeting rollers. Initial compression reduces the thickness significantly, with calibration ensuring consistency across the wide ribbon. Multi-stage rollers continue the process, gradually narrowing the dark black sheet to a precise 2 to 3 millimeters, smooth, uniform, and intensely dark throughout. Embossing rollers then press the iconic Oreo pattern deeply into the moving sheet, creating thousands of perfectly textured designs every minute. High-speed rotary cutters descend, punching crisp circular wafers from the embossed ribbon. Scrap dough is immediately peeled away and diverted upward for instant recycling back into the mixers, minimizing waste in this continuous operation. The dark wafer rounds drop neatly onto heat-resistant mesh belts and advance toward the massive glowing tunnel ovens. Inside the baking zones, radiant heaters and controlled steam brown the wafers evenly, intensifying their deep jet black color while setting the signature crisp snap. Freshly baked wafers emerge hot and aromatic, spreading across long multi-zone cooling conveyors where powerful fans rapidly bring them down to room temperature, locking in texture. Meanwhile, on parallel cream preparation lines, powdered sugar is sifted through air classifiers to remove any lumps, ensuring silky smoothness. Shortening is whipped at high speed with the sifted sugar and pure vanilla, incorporating just the right amount of air to create the glossy, stable white filling Oreo is famous for. Temperature-controlled pumps transfer the finished cream to holding hoppers directly above the assembly line, maintaining perfect viscosity for deposition. Cooled wafers split into two precise streams. Bottom halves move under high-precision nozzles that extrude perfect circular swirls of cream onto each center. Top wafers are mechanically flipped and aligned by sensors, then gently pressed down to form the classic Oreo sandwich. Cream squeezing just slightly at the edges to confirm the ideal bond. The freshly sandwiched cookies enter chilled setting tunnels, where misty cool air circulates to firm the cream quickly and prevent any shifting during later handling. Advanced optical inspection tunnels scan every cookie with laser grids and cameras, instantly detecting cracks, misalignment, or filling errors. Air jets precisely eject any imperfect cookies into reject chutes, while approved Oreos continue forward in perfect formation. Reject cookies are diverted to grinding mills, broken down, and recycled safely back into the dough stream where suitable. Approved Oreos flow in endless dark rivers across wide conveyors, an awe-inspiring display of volume, precision, and synchronization. Vibratory aligners gently orient the cookies into neat vertical columns inside plastic trays, careful not to crush under accumulating weight. Filled trays enter high-speed flow wrapping machines, where clear plastic film unwinds from jewel rolls, enveloping the stacks before heat seal bars and vacuum create airtight sleeves. Inkjet printers immediately code each wrapped sleeve with batch numbers, production dates, and traceability information. Robotic case packers swiftly arrange the sleeves into cardboard cartons in exact grids, with hot melt glue sealing flaps sec. Robotic case packers swiftly arrange the sleeves into cardboard cartons in exact grids, with hot melt glue sealing flaps securely. Boxed units pass final automated weight verification scales, ensuring every carton meets exact specifications before approval. Approved boxes move to robotic palletizers, where towering arms build stable layered pallets with interleaving sheets for extra support. Completed pallets enter shrink-wrap tunnels, where spinning plastic film is applied and heat shrunk tight for secure transport. Barcode labels are automatically applied to each wrapped pallet, enabling full end-to-end tracking. In the vast warehouse, forklifts carefully position pallets into towering racks under strict height controls. Quality technicians regularly pull random samples from batches, performing detailed tests for moisture levels, texture consistency, and that perfect, audible crunch. Only fully validated inventory is released for dispatch. At the loading docks, scanners confirm pallet IDs one final time as forklifts transfer loads into waiting trailers. Doors close and seal, and trucks depart, carrying millions of freshly made Oreos to distribution centers and stores worldwide. This is modern biscuit production at its absolute peak. Relentless engineering precision, uncompromising quality control, and breathtaking industrial scale, all working in perfect harmony. From ultra-dark black dough sheets to perfectly sandwiched cookies, from precise stacks to sealed, traceable packs, every single Oreo is crafted to deliver the exact same iconic appearance, twist-apart ease, satisfying crunch, and timeless taste.